everyone. I'm kind of chatting at you while I'm on my way to work here. Haven't had a lot of time. I've been stuck with this cold that I had since the last time I was able to talk to you guys in Arizona. And now I'm back home and still kind of battling it. So anyway, this week I was just going to bring you along on what we're doing. We're going to go to our second annual beach trip on the Oregon coast. We're going to leave on Monday and we're going to meet up with my sister and her family there, my mom and my in-laws. So super fun time. I feel like I'm really behind things though, again because of the aforementioned cold, but I need to get on it. I haven't done any shopping, haven't done any packing, haven't even done any planning yet. So those are things that I kind of need to get on this week. I need to be thinking of dinner ideas because we have a little bit larger of a family with 6 people. I'm finding that the stove that our trailer has, so we kind of go glamping. I mean, we're in a trailer. But anyway, the stove that it has 4 burners. However, they're microscopic. So once you put 2 large pots on them, the whole stove area is gone. So I'm trying to think of ideas of like the foil packets that, you know, you can pack and then put in the fire and have like your potatoes and meat with it, vegetables all just in one. Or we bought a grill that we can hook up so we could grill chicken or beef out on it. Anyway, I'm excited about it. I like to cook. I'll be more excited about when I feel like I know when I'm going to cook. So anyway, that's kind of what's on the plan for this week. So here I am. I probably should be getting ready for the trip, but I'm practicing because I can always find food on the trip, but I can't always find a piano. Our first zucchini. Check this out. The fennel is taller than me. I'm back driving to work again. It is Thursday, and this seems like it's just the best time to catch up with you. I haven't done too much planning and packing like I thought I would for the trip, but some meal planning has been done. And so after work today, I'm going to meet up with the family, and we're going to do the Costco run before we go, and hopefully get some stuff that's just easy travel food, maybe a little less preparation for while we're traveling on the road, snacks, that kind of stuff. I don't know. Costco's always fun, so we'll see what it holds for us.
We're going on a trip here, so our trees out on our property just, I don't know, just died. We aren't able to water them enough, so I've been putting these water barrels. So we're going to go out there and stick the water barrels at the property with the timer. So what do you see in there? Well, I know I'm a male because I seem to lose everything looking for the water timer, but this is what happens. So everything gets to be kind of a mess. So Casey, do you know where it went?
Go, Quill, go! Vacation has officially started. I just finished work and I'm meeting up with everybody at Costco to hopefully do some good shopping. The first stop is we're getting another phone. This phone works for vlogging, but it doesn't really work so well as just a phone. I don't have an Android brain, it turns out, so getting a new phone. She feels ready for second grade already. Go talk to Pharaoh. We need release. What do you think, Claire?
I like them.
Oh.
Feels perfect.
Bucks would work.
These are great.
$15 is worth like 100.
Good boy. Okay, here it is on the next morning. It's Friday and we're going out to head to do some errands. Get the trailer ready, just more trip prep. So we're along for the ride. I think the first place we're going, we already did coffee. That was on the list. That was important, but that had to be early this morning because it was so sunny and so hot out. So we already got that, and now we're off to, I think, Barnes and Noble's first.
Pretty
Are you shopping? What are you getting?
That's hilarious.
Did you get your $116 worth of groceries? Last stop, Target. It's getting hot. It's like 86 out now. Styling. We decided to take a quick shopping trip to Sportsman's Warehouse because you can't go camping without that. And I'm finding too much fun stuff.
Yeah, we could spend like $1 million.
I like these. These remind me of childhood. Oh, are those the Yeti cups?
They're Hydro Flask cups.
Oh, she's an espresso baby. Oh. Okay, if you come to Sportsman's Warehouse and there are no cappuccino cups, check in the pot. What are you drinking, Daisy? What's in your cup? Cups. Hello? Hi, girls. Okay. Tour. I gotta wrap up this video because we have to get ready, and it is 107 outside. It's very hot. I'm wilted. and it's about 125 inside the trailer. So the bed isn't made yet, but this is the bed area, couch, kitchen, table, storage space up there, bathroom and vanity area, and then wow, Violet's decked out boho bungalow. Pretty nice. I think you have a little person who wants to sleep with you. Very, very nice. She loves it so much that even though it's sweltering, she's here. I gotta sign off today so that I can get this uploaded into a blog and get it off of my camera so that I have more space for the trip. So see you on the road.